This unassuming fruit holds superpower-level nutrients. We're about to follow its incredible journey inside you. It begins with one delicious bite. Your mouth starts mechanical breakdown instantly. Enzymes in saliva unlock the first nutrients. The bolus prepares for its deeper journey. A perfect wave carries it down effortlessly, now entering the stomach's powerful environment. Acids and enzymes transform it into chyme. Healthy fats stay protected, built to last. Chyme advances to the absorption zone. Bile perfectly prepares fats for uptake. Final enzymatic unlock of every nutrient. Villi, stand ready, your nutrient collectors. Healthy fats enter cells effortlessly. Powerful vitamins E and K follow suit. Potassium surges in heart and muscle fuel. Folate energizes DNA and cell division. Fats packaged for special delivery. Nutrients now race through your blood. Heart receives healthier fats and protection. Brain gains sharper focus and defense. Muscles get long-lasting power. Skin glows with natural anti-aging. Eyes shielded for better long-term vision. Fiber nurtures your healthy gut flora. Every system upgraded by avocado power. 20+ nutrients in one perfect package. Real fuel for heart, mind, and body. Add avocado now. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite recipe.